Hey everybody, I get to talk to you about one of my favorite topics today, and it's video and video marketing. See, video and marketing, they really go together like peanut butter and jelly. From traditional TV commercials to today's YouTube, TikTok, Vimeo, even Facebook Live. I mean, it's no secret, video has just become a staple of our everyday lives. Today, video is king if you're doing any kind of marketing. And this is one of the biggest mistakes that I see businesses do, is that they're not really embracing video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about why video marketing is important for your business, how that you can use it for your business profitably. And so stick around. So I'm going to give you some really great updates and tips that you can actually use. Hey everyone, I'm Richard Cruz, and my agency, WSI Priority Media, tests new Google Ads and video strategy every day. We're discovering what's working, what's not working, and in these videos, I just share with you the latest ideas to help you get better results with your Google Ads campaigns. So there was a recent study online. Video is 600% more effective of a marketing tool than print and direct mail combined. See, here's just a few of the facts based on some of these recent studies on why online video is just becoming more popular. It is the most engaging form of content, and Google is all about engagement. How long you can keep people on the platforms, how long you can keep people on YouTube, and how long you get people to be able to watch your videos and be able to click through. And if you can create engaging content, you'll be rewarded by Google and by search engines and by YouTube. 75 million people in the US, they watch videos every single day. Merely mentioning the word video in an email subject line, click-through rates increase by 13% just by doing that. And nearly 50% of all the video that's watched is on a mobile device now. So through the coming years, internet video traffic is going to account for about 80% of all consumer traffic. Videos that are about 2 minutes long, they're the ones that get the most engagement. So why use video for your business? Look, people have the attention span of a gnat, and video marketing helps deliver your message, your personality, your value to them in a way that's far beyond just text. And so you need to be able to create relationships today, be able to stand out, be able to deliver your value effectively in a short period of time. And something that strikes an emotional chord with people, and you can't do that just through text only. And it's the art of storytelling as well too that you're able to use. And if you're not convinced about using video for marketing, what we've done with our clients, we found out, it's just some of the numbers. Social video generates 1,200% more shares than text and images combined. Video that's shared on Facebook pages, it increases user engagement by 33%. On your website, just by placing videos on website, what we found is that we increase conversions by 55%. See, when I started using video for my marketing business, I was worried about messing up video, about some concerns about people not liking my video. I mean, even today, look at my video. I am not sitting here worried about how beautiful or how perfect it is. What I am concerned about is giving you value. And if you focus on value and giving people great value, you're going to find that your videos are going to do extremely well. And that's what we found through our agency. And so we went on to a campaign of really adopting video in everything that we do. Video is all over our website, our YouTube channel. We've uploaded 100 videos, almost 100 videos, 98 videos in the last 100 days. And so we're very committed to video marketing. I don't just talk about it. It's something that we're doing every single day. And it's something that you not only could do, but you should be doing for your business, is putting out continuous content on video. People ask me all the time, what kind of video should I use for my business? And why should I use video for my business is a no-brainer, but how? Here's what I want you to do is write down the 10 most common questions that people always ask you when you have a new customer. What do they want to know? Is it about what's unique about you? You should know what people ask you. Create videos about that. YouTube is a really great how-to video. teach people how to give them that information, and watch how people will just appreciate your being so candid and transparent, and be able to help them and be able to give them, the information. Upload your videos, into YouTube. And one of the secrets that I like to talk about is SEOing video. What you want to do is you want to SEO it for your business name, for your terms, for your keywords. That's the important part. Don't stop at just creating video. Make sure that you actually go that extra mile, and that you're creating the SEO steps in your videos as well too. It is a very, very powerful tool. Obviously, one of my favorites to use is going and taking the video now and running ads. You want to use YouTube ads, and you want to put them in front of your audiences. One of my favorites is the in-market audiences. That in-market means people who are actively searching for your product or your service right now. And so, by the way, if you're not aware of this yet, YouTube is owned by Google. And in case you don't know, Google is the most powerful platform on the planet Earth for people searching. Google's the #1 search engine in the world. YouTube is the #2 search engine. And so they know what people are looking for. And when people are starting to look for a certain product or service, nobody knows faster than Google. And that information is shared inside of YouTube, so you can create these how-to videos. Let's say you're a plumber and you want to create videos on how to unclog a toilet, all right? If they're in there looking, how do I unclog my toilet? They may see you explaining it, but they may also say, I don't want to bother with it. I'm going to call them because I really like them. I like the way they talk. I like the way they were just willing to help me understand how to unclog a toilet. So going back into in-market audiences are one of the most undiscovered, and honestly one of the most underused tools that I see whenever I talk about video marketing. I always talk about it using it for in-market audiences. It's a very powerful tool, so definitely use that. I highly recommend it, and it'll help you be able to have quality views on your YouTube channel of people who are actually interested in it. And so that is a wrap-up of video marketing. It's becoming more and more affordable. It is absolutely, becoming more and more in demand. And using video marketing for your business, it requires creativity, knowledge of what your market wants, but all those components make it possible to create real, just incredible pieces of marketing at a very, very minimal cost that will help your business grow. And that's my overview on why video marketing is important for your business. I hope that you've learned at least one thing in this video, and if you did, do me a favor, leave that one thing in the comments below. And if I can be of help in your marketing, call me or message me at wsi@prioritymedia.net. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it and subscribe so that you're alerted of future training videos like this. Thank you for watching.